Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to the 18th. For the period February 6th to the 10th, this is what the patterns forecast look like. We have a large area of positive height anomalies near eastern Russia and Alaska. We have an area of a trough here south of the Aleutians. We have another trough over Canada, and these troughs are forecast to merge during the forecast period. We also have a ridge over the west and a ridge trough extending into the eastern U.S. We go to the 10th. And we can see that the troughs are beginning to merge. We still have the positive height anomalies. And these positive height anomalies will cause an amplified pattern in the east during this period. And we're going to look at the models. They're all showing basically the same thing. Precipitation during the period is forecast to be across the northwest and northern Rockies. Temperatures are forecast to be 20 to 25 degrees above normal from the Rockies into the plains. Temperatures in the east are forecast to be about 5 to 15 degrees below normal, with highest anomalies across the Great Lakes into the northeast. We're going to look now at the period from February 9th to the 13th. Here we are at the 9th. Patterns still show large positive height anomalies here. This is GFS ensembles. And we are going to look at the European deterministics. And we're looking at the European ensembles and the Canadian ensembles. The models are showing some differences in the strength and amplitude of the eastern trough. So we're going to go to the end of the period. You can see right here, the GFS ensembles still hold on to the trough. Now this is an interesting thing. The European ensembles show higher heights here across the northeast, pushes the trough further to the south over the southeast, but we still have the very large positive height anomalies here near Siberia, and we have a trough over Alaska. We still have a ridge over western U.S. And then we look at the other models. The trough is further offshore, and this is the Canadian ensembles, which has the trough pretty much to the east and with a flatter flow across the nation. So during this period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures across this region, and temperature anomalies during this forecast period are forecast to be about 5 to 15 degrees above normal, with the highest anomalies across here. And temperatures in the east are forecast to be below normal, with anomalies of about 10 to 15 degrees below normal, with the highest anomalies across this region here. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this region, above normal precipitation for the northwest. Next now is the period from February 14th to the 18th. Here's the 14th. Models are still showing, most of the models still have a ridge here, a trough over the eastern U.S., and we also have a trough now over Alaska into the eastern U.S., with weaker positive height anomalies near Siberia than there were in the previous period. And then we go towards the end of the period. This is the 16th. We still have our trough. Looking at all the models. Which one is this? I'm going to look at this model. European ensembles are still showing above normal heights across the northeast, trough further suppressed. And we look at the other models. This is the Canadian ensembles, has a weaker trough. So overall, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperature for the southeast, middle Atlantic, and the northeast. And I'm going to look now at the temperature anomalies during this period. We're forecasting temperatures about 5 to 15 degrees above normal. Highest anomalies here, and in the east, about 5 to almost 20 degrees below normal, with the highest anomalies, greatest anomalies would be across this region here. For precipitation, I'm going with the GEFS, which I don't have right now on there, but I'm generally calling for below normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to 18th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.